Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing an updated moisturizing hair routine. If you guys are interested in this video, then stay tuned. So I have a previous video on my channel that shows you guys my hair moisturizing routine, and that video is called My Secret to Hair Growth is Marley Twist, a simple moisturizing routine. If you guys haven't checked out that video, then I'll go ahead and link it in the description box and you guys can check it out there. And so basically the only difference between that routine and this routine is that I'm going to be incorporating aloe vera juice. So this is very simple, and I'm just going to show you guys step by step how I go ahead and prep the aloe vera. The first thing I like to do with the aloe vera is go ahead and cut off the bottom part of the aloe vera, and then from there I'll go ahead and just cut off the little spikes that's on the ends, on the sides of the aloe vera. And then from there I'm gonna go ahead and not section, but like cut the aloe vera into smaller pieces, and then I'm gonna cut off that thick green exterior from the aloe vera to get to the jelly part, because that's what we're gonna apply to our hair. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the aloe vera into the blender, because I want to try to get as much juice from the aloe vera as possible. Aloe vera contains vitamins A, C, and E. All three of these vitamins contribute to cell turnover, promoting healthy cell growth and shiny hair. Vitamin B12 and folic acid are also contained in aloe vera gel. Both of these components can keep your hair from falling out. Also, aloe vera has the incredible ability to increase blood circulation to an area. That's part of why its healing properties are so unique. When you use aloe vera gel on your hair and scalp, blood flows to your scalp increases. So I have transferred the aloe vera gel into a spray bottle just for an easier application of the aloe vera juice. And then I'm going to be using my Urban Hydration Health and Repair Daily Moisturizer, as well as my henna and amla oil. And I also have an updated video on that coming out soon, so stay tuned for that. So I'm going to show you guys two methods that you can use when moisturizing your hair. So first, I'm just gonna take down the twists that I already have in my hair, and I'm just gonna unravel the twist, and I'm going to spray the aloe vera gel on my hair. Another reason why I like incorporating aloe vera gel into my hair is that it gives your hair amazing slip. So if you have a problem with like detangling your hair and you're not able to find like a good detangling product, or anything you use just doesn't help, like use aloe vera juice or gel, whatever you want to call it, and it'll give your hair amazing slip. So I'm showing you guys right now, like from me detangling my hair with a comb, like that's all the hair that I got, like that's all the shed hair that I got. So like, yeah, definitely I would suggest using some aloe vera. So I'm gonna go ahead and with the moisturizer, and then after that I'm gonna seal everything in with the oil. So a second method of moisturizing my hair would be just spraying the aloe vera on top of my twist and just squeezing the aloe vera into my hair, versus unraveling the twist and then spraying the aloe vera and then combing my hair out and then putting the moisturizer in and then the oil and then retwisting my hair again. So this way it's a lot faster and it's a lot easier, because I know some people asked in my video, my secret to hair growth is Marley twist video. A lot of people asked if they actually had to take down the twist itself and then moisturize their hair, or if they could just leave the twist in and just kind of moisturize their hair while the twist was still intact. I hope this is making sense. And yes, you can do that. So this is why I wanted to show you guys. There's like two different methods that you guys can use if you guys do decide to incorporate aloe vera gel into your regimen. If you guys already do, you know, tell me what your hair progress growth has been since using aloe vera. And if you haven't used aloe vera and you're about to, let me know as well in the comment section. And I'm just gonna go ahead and finish moisturizing my hair. Also, I decided to come back on camera because I wanted to show you guys, to tell you guys, don't forget your scalp. You know, that's where your hair grows out of, so don't forget to moisturize your scalp as well. So I'm just gonna kind of do the same regimen that I do to my hair. I'm gonna do the aloe vera, and then I'm gonna skip the cream part, and then I'm just gonna do the oil part, and then I'm just gonna put my hair back into a bun, and that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs it up, don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it, and don't forget to share my videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.